Hi everyone and welcome to another video series. This series is going to be on Chum Kiu, which is the second form of Wing Chun. If you haven't already seen the first series on Seal Lim Tao, the first form, so you go back and look at that. Hopefully you found that useful. Now we're following on the second form. We're going to do it stage by stage. Give you the pattern, okay? Everyone who does this form does it differently. So I'm going to give you my pattern, which I kind of learned from slightly different variations. I'll give you a quick example when we start, and then it's, I guess, up to you guys. You know, hopefully you find this helpful. Just another example of the way another person does it, and you can take it and change it or investigate it further. But I'm going to give you the basic pattern and a very quick, brief overview of what you're doing, okay, and why you're doing it. Okay, so obviously, if you did find the last series useful, or you find this series, or you didn't find it useful at all, please subscribe. No, I can share the video, that'd be fantastic. And all the support I can get is great. Hopefully this is made to help you guys, but when I get support I can then give you more videos, and yeah, okay, so hopefully you find it useful. So on with the video. Like with all forms, we're going to start in the same position as the first one. So feet together, okay, in here. Sink on your knees, get into your ready stance, traditional Wing Chun stance here. You're going to define centre line, centre line being the same through your and your opponent's body, okay. So first move is left over right here, down, okay, centre line running through the middle, and then back up here, okay, 1, 2, again still centre line and back in. A quick example of a variation of why it's not too important to really study these things too much, because it isn't that relevant to me. For example, when we go here, back in, some people will go up, down, this way. Some people will, instead of going down and roll, they'll go down and straight up. Not important, okay? This is just my version. So first, 1, 2, back in. Again, same as the first form, left to right. First one's punch through the centre, okay, and back in, right. Careful not to lock your elbow out. Okay, from here, okay, it's going to give you a quick overview. The first technique is here, okay, and we're going to shift to 90 degrees into Lansao. Lansao being here, we're going to shift, turn, okay. I like to really, this is a tool for me to try and develop your hip power, okay. Okay, really shift fast. Okay, this position, think of it shoulder height, okay, flat, and this kind of parallel. Not elbows out, okay, not a massive gap, just here, okay. So, from the punch, okay, we'll go here, into Lansao, okay, that way. 1, 2, 3, okay, so that's 1, shift, 2, 3. Now from here, same position as what we were in before, okay. Then it's going to be left, 1, 2, 3. The idea is, imagine if someone's, say, grabbing you on the shoulder, okay, here, and it's breaking elbow, okay. So that's just the kind of theory behind it anyway. So someone's here, hitting their elbow and breaking it. So from here it's 1, 2, 3. And from here, palm strike, 1, 2. On the third one, comes back, okay. Here, comes back, okay. Now from here, we're going to go 180 that side, into Lansao again, one hand. That's what it looks like, okay. Parallel. Then from here, rest your hand on there, into Bong Sao at the front. It's in Wu Sao guard hand, ready obviously for someone's punching, you deflected it, trap, okay. That's 1. There, back into Lan. 2. Okay, back into Lan. All the time trying to get those hips working. Again, 3. Okay, from here, punch forward, get still through your centre, so your centre shifted. Back in, that pulls back. Okay, you're going to come square, strike, back in, rest, and then punch through. Okay, and then same on the other side. So I'm going to go right this time, left, right. Okay, here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Shift this side, rest, bong sao, back into lan, rest, bong sao, back into lan, 3, that way, and 3, punch through your centre, okay, strike, back, rest on here, fires forward, okay. Okay, and that's where we're going to leave this. So I'll run through it once more, sort of medium speed. Okay, then you've got a pattern and something to refer to, okay? And you can go back if you want sort of rough idea what you're doing on the previous part. Okay, so basic stance. Okay, on here, define centre. Left, right, punch. 1, 2. Okay, left. Three. Okay, I'm go right this time. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, on 1, 2, 3. Strike, strike, centre, punch, and then finish. Okay, so it's the first section, guys. If you found it useful, of course, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It'd be amazing, and hopefully it won't be too long before you get the next section that you can practice and take it further. Okay, so until that video, guys, I'll see you then.